cruise around and check some rides out. All right, so we got you first. We are over here. So tell us about your 57. How long you've had it and all the good stuff about it.
Had it 7 or 8 years. It's got a 350 4-speed. It was an Arizona, bought in LA, and it was spent all its life in Arizona, so there's it wasn't any rust, so it was an easy restoration.
So did you buy it as is, or did you have to do a bunch of stuff? Yeah, a guy by the name of
John Lewis, that lives about a mile from here.
Oh, okay.
John Lewis, he bought it from Arizona, brought it in on a trailer, and it was all in boxes. The guy had started it.
Oh, really?
And so he had it put together. It's one of the best 57s I've ever had.
Yeah, I always like checking it out. It's really nice. And it's a no-post car. And were you looking for a 57 when you were looking for a classic car, or did you just kind of come up? Or
well, John was going to buy another car. Mm-hmm. And he told me he was going to sell this, and I said, we got to talk. I didn't think I could afford it.
Oh, okay.
But he gave me a good deal, and I've had it for quite a while now.
Mm-hmm. And it's a manual car, huh?
Yeah, it's a 4-speed.
Oh, wow.
They didn't come with 4 speeds. They came with 3 on the column.
Right. Really nice on the inside too. And what motor did you say is in it? You might have
350.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I just took out the 283 last year and put a little more power.
Got it. I like the wheels, the torque thrust wheels you have on it too.
Yeah, those are the old style American mags.
Yeah.
They remake this style, but the more common style is kind of a rounded spoke.
Mm-hmm. And is there anything else, like when you look at this car, you say, I still want to do XYZ, or is it like just exactly how you kind of want it?
Pretty much done.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty much, yeah, there's really not much I can do to it.
Yeah. It's in really nice shape. I really like the color. I really like that you got all the original chrome stuff, and it's just in really nice shape.
Yeah, for the paint job is over 20 years old.
Is it really?
I think. Yeah.
Wow.
I think he said he had it painted when he restored it.
It's in really great shape. And for everybody, what was your name again?
Bob.
Bob. Walk around and check it out a little bit more. I like some of the gold, how it has the gold trim also.
It's got a Nomad bumper on it.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, the sedan had put the license plate here.
Right.
And so when the Nomad, because the lid, I guess, opened, but they put that arrangement on there. So
yeah, that's cool.
So other than that, it's pretty much the way it came.
Got the proper Dano stickers on there.
Got my Dano stickers.
Those add 10 horsepower each, so you got 20 more horsepower, so that's good.
Yeah.
They had 10 horsepower each, so you got 2 of them, so that's 20 more horsepower. That's good.
For what?
You got 10 horsepower per Dano sticker.
Oh, okay.
Extra,
you bet.
extra, yeah.
Yeah, I got you.
That's what he used to say.
Yeah.
Really nice. Cool. Thanks, Bob.
Take care.
Thank you. Go check out Fred's truck. Fred's patina truck. Really nice. Rick from ATL. What's going on, Rick? We had some rain last night, so there are quite a bit less cars this morning. Hi from Perth, Western Australia. Trav, what's going on? Good morning. Like I was saying, there's quite a bit less cars this morning because it was raining last night, so I think people were a little reluctant to pull their rides out of the garage. Because I don't think we were 100% sure if it was going to rain this morning or not, so that's kind of what the deal is. Watching from Festus Mo. David, what's going on, David? Always love the sticker collection. And if I'm not mistaken, still 6-volt car, unless he has a modern kind of camouflaged alternator. Man, beautiful engine compartment. Nice 55. Good looking Chevelle. Dave, what's going on, Dave? Don. Cool truck. Where you're going to start getting more rain. It's possible. Yes, sir.
What they put that Dodge
Which one?
on the trailer?
Oh, I'm not sure. What's this guy doing? Oh, that one right there?
Tony.
Yeah, I know, Tony, but is that what you're talking about? On that trailer right there?
No, it's over there.
Oh.
Dodge. That's the Chevy.
Oh, all
Dodge.
the way over there. I didn't see it. Yeah, cool.
Way over there, Al.
Tony rolling in.
Steve, how are you, man?
What's happening, Willie? How you doing? Tony's not scared. Nice bus rolling in. Even with the rain, this guy's rolling out.
I made sure the streets were dry.
Made sure the streets were dry. I like it. Tony's big block Chevelle. Really nice car. Nice Chevelle. I mean, El Camino, excuse me. Really nice El Camino. I like the color. Really nice. We got Rick's car over there. Alright, we'll keep cruising. We'll make sure we go over here and check out Carly's car. There's a caddy pulling in. Good morning from Yonkers, NY. Tony, what's going on, Tony? Beautiful caddy pulling in. Morning. Charlie's 57. Nice. Good morning, how you guys doing? I like your bus. Really nice on the inside too. Got Sean's truck. What's up? Oh, getting some ideas over here. When's your dad gonna bring his bus?
Let me set the shop right there.
Where's your dad's bus? All right, tell him to get it here. Say, Dad, bring your bus.
We will.
All right, get him. Morning, how you guys doing? Good morning, good morning. Don't ball him. Get the details on it. What do we got? 65 for a 59. There's the phone number on it. If you are interested, make sure we get it in frame there. Fred. What do you like better? Are you a 59 fan or 58 fan? Let's walk around it. See what you like better. Personally, I think I like the 58 better.
Got this fucking thing.
But I sure do like a 59 also.
Had it straight. That was the original one.
You got that big bat wing in the back. So let us know in the comments what you like better. Are you a 58, 59 fan?
Boy or girl?
Fin.
Morning. How you guys doing?
Morning.
Good looking car.
Thank you.
Is that?
So you want a Bel Air, huh? You ready? You ready for a different lifestyle?
Kind of, yeah.
You're almost 50, huh?
Really nice Impala. Got a few people pulling in.
That's awesome, dude.
Sir, you can't park here. Can't park here, sir.
Why?
What's up, man?
Good morning. I wasn't gonna come, but I seen this guy. Oh, man.
Looking fly as ever.
They came like 20 miles away. I can come from half a mile away.
Could have walked here, but
You are driving your wife's car, though. It is a sexy car, though. It's cool. I like it. Really nice. Really like that Impala too. Really like that Impala. Okay, let's go over here and check out. Oh, let's try not to get the Suburban. Let's go check out the single turbo Camo Camaro. I'd like you to try to say Camo Camaro 5 times fast. Jeff, good morning from Huntington Beach. Jeff, what's going on, Jeff? Single turbo LS. Wrapped. Got a cage. Cool car. It's got a Thunderbird motor in it. Or a Thunderbird valve. valve covers. Interesting. Nice car. Wisconsin. Corey, what's going on, Corey? Jeff. What's going on, Jeff? Oh, it's a manual. There's a lot of interesting accessories he has in this car. Cool. Ask him about some of those. A couple cool, really nice OBS trucks. Good looking OBS. Yeah, Jeff, it rained last night. Everybody freaked out. And yeah. So there are not as many people here. You are absolutely correct. Really like this. Nice. 51, 52? Somewhere in there, you guys tell me.
Hey, Jose, you need one like this.
No, it looks like that looks stock. Okay. But yeah, they put these brakes on it. So yeah, we saw the ones that fit, they're 44. They'll fit on.
Wow, this is cool. 51. Jeff says 51. I think you're right. Let's go with it. Good little matchup right there. We got the Merc in 56. And then you have LS in this guy. It's an interesting vehicle.
Work has paid off. Rita, thank you so much.
Good looking truck. Got some Corvettes over here too. Where's everybody at? Well, it rained last night, so not as many people are here this morning. It was sprinkling last night up until, I don't know, probably about 11 o'clock. So kind of scared everybody off. And it's supposed to rain today also, so that's all we got. Wow, this is pretty interesting. I don't see too many of the Dodge wagons or Dodge vans. Cool.
What do you want for that?
Well, I'm not going to like
Got Ray's right over here.
Go away before I started. There's something wrong with my motor.
You need a what?
Something happened with my motor on the way over here this morning. I sound like a 50.
That's not good.
I don't need you filming that for Dylan.
Okay, I won't. I promise.
It'll sound like him with his tuba.
It looks really nice right here.
Yeah, well, it looks better than it sounds.
It looks really nice. Jump over to Instagram.
nice solid door close.